Hi guys! Welcome back to MadMods PC Modding. It's your boy Mikey, and yung video natin today is tungkol sa Rakk Haliya yung MATX version na tiningnan natin last time. So ngayon gagawa na natin siya ng actual build na water-cooled, at yung case gagawa natin ng konting modifications. So meron siyang theme. And then meron nga pala akong bonus giveaway sa video na to. Sana ma-appreciate nyo. Announce ko na lang later on kung paano sumali at saka kung ano yung item. Anyway, here's the build.
Potential threat detected. Security system online.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring was like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are my love, for all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you.
So, yun. Yun na yung build. So, si Ray Ayanami yung inspiration. So, kinuha ko lang yung little parts nung, ano bang tawag ng plug suit niya. So, may konting orange dito, kaya may orange din dun sa case. And then, mostly white, some green, and yung 00 na number niya sa, yun nga, sa plug suit. So, ayun. Ano sa tingin nyo? If you like it, just leave a comment. If you don't like it, comment nyo na lang din. And anong gusto nyo makita sa mga future na builds or sa case mod? Anong theme? Baka may masasuggest kayo, i-comment nyo na lang din. Try nating gawin yon. And then, for the bonus giveaway, napaka-random nito. Naisip ko to kanina lang. Meron ako kasi yung extra ganito. So, ito yung sleeved extensions ni Thermal Take. Black and red siya. Ayan. Hindi pa ito nagagamit. And para sumali sa giveaway, just be a subscriber, leave a comment, and then paki-share na rin tong video sa Facebook, and paki-tag si MadMods PC Modding. Alright? And then, na-announce ko na lang yung winner after a week siguro. Basta, ipopost ko siya dun sa Facebook page, MadMods PC Modding. So, paki-like nyo na lang din yung page na yun para sa announcement. And, yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much. Subscribe for more. Peace.